Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about very important definitions which are very much useful to electrical, electronics and other branches in engineering category students. So let's get into the topic. Actually, materials are classified based on the valence electrons in three types. They are conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Coming to the conductors, when the number of electrons in the outermost orbit, that is valence electrons, are less than 4 is known as conductor. Example for conductors are, we know, sodium, aluminum, copper, magnesium, which of valence electrons having 3. So we previously said which are having less than 4 valence electrons is known as conductor. Coming to the insulator, when the number of electrons in the same outermost orbit are greater than 4 is known as insulator. Example for insulators are glass, mica, paper, wood. These are some examples for insulators. And the next one is semiconductor. The semiconductor is defined as the number of electrons in the outermost orbit exactly half of maximum of 8 electrons, that is equal to 4 is known as semiconductor. This is neither be conductor nor insulator, is known as simply semiconductor. Examples for semiconductor is germanium and silicon, and one more thing is carbon also one of the semiconductor. And coming to the topic of definitions of electric current, potential difference, resistance, inductor and capacitor, let us first discuss about the electric current. Many of the textbooks or standard books giving the definition for electric current is the controlled movement or drift means movement, drift of electrons through a substance this is known as electric current, or simply we can say free flow of electrons electrons is also known as electric current. It is denoted by capital letter I and measured in amperes. Measured in amperes. And one more definition also is there for electric current, that is I equal to rate of change of total charge. Where there is rate of, denominator we have to put time. So the definition for electric current is simply rate of change of total charge equal to electric current. Charge denoted by letter Q and time T. This is about electric current. And the second one is potential difference. Potential difference, in the another name also we can use voltage. The definition for potential difference is, let us take an example. Let us consider a charged body which is having plus 10 volts, and the second one is the body which is having plus 5 volts. This is A and this is B. What is the potential difference of these two charged bodies is 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. 5 is the potential difference of these two charged bodies. And another one also we have to consider is, always current is flowing from higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential to lower potential. In the previous also we can discuss that potential difference is also known as voltage. Voltage V. Voltage equal to work done per unit charge. That is work done in W by charge in Q. This is also known as voltage. And the third one is resistance. Actually, the resistor, the property of a substance, or a material which opposes the flow of electric current, the flow of electrons or electric current, is known as resistor. It is denoted by the letter capital R and measured in ohms. And it is denoted by the symbol like this. Perfect symbol is this one. This is A, this is B. If we want to variable the resistor, that means if we want to vary the resistance, we can use this line. Variable resistor is denoted by like this. We can use the values here, 5 ohms, 10 ohms, like this. Actually, resistance are also having some properties like R is directly proportional to length, R is inversely proportional to area of cross section, and this can be written as R is directly proportional to L by A. If the relation is eliminated, we have to use the constant one, that is R equal to rho L by A. The rho is a constant one which is known as specific resistance. Specific resistance. In other words, we can use resistivity. It is rho and it is measured in ohm meter. Ohm meter. Rho is a Greek letter actually. It's derived from Greek language. Coming to the topic of inductor. Inductor is also a passive component which stores the energy in magnetic form. We can make the inductor. First of all, we have to take one conductor, then fish that conductor into coils, then it will be as inductor, and it is the symbol for this one also like this, inductor, and it is denoted by capital letter L and measured in henries. 20H, 30H, like this we can use the values for inductor. And the final one is capacitor. Capacitor is also a passive component. It is also a passive component. We can define this. It is also stores the energy in the charge, and it is denoted by the letter C and measured in farads. Measured in farads. It is look like this one. These are two metal plates displaced by the medium of, this is known as dielectric medium, like this. This one having the positive charge, this one having the negative charge, or we can use the reverse. This is an insulator or dielectric medium also we can use. We can call dielectric medium. This is known as capacitor. In the next video we can detail explain on this resistor, inductor and capacitor. We can detail explanation on this video in the next video. So thank you for watching. Thank you.